Tarot by Maya.
Hi everybody, welcome to my site. My name is Zeljka. I'm Croatian psychic and tarot card reader in Vancouver, BC, and owner of my INCA oracle. Here we have tarot cards to do reading for small Archie, the son of Meghan Markle and Harry, and to see where is the child, what is going with him, how he is doing, is he okay, is he healthy, is he like to play, is he has connection with his mother and father, does the queen want her grandchild to be included in royal family, or is there so many difficulties with Charles and William and Kate and Queen? What is going on with the son of Harry? So we know there is new daughter, there is Diana, but the Diana is born, but we don't know about Archie. What is going with Archie? So we're gonna be doing reading for that to find some more information. So welcome, and we're gonna see what the cards are gonna tell us. Let us throw the cube. The cube will give us some number, what is important to know in this situation with Harry and child. We can see here we have number 6. The 6 is we have 6 sides of the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is something what is not to know for everybody. There is something about Archie that other people are not supposed to know. This is something rigid. It's not round. It's not round for everybody, like round table. Everybody has the same right to see, to know, to do. This is rigid. The number 6 is rigid. So that is something what is blocked, what is hidden, what is secret, there is something about Archie what is not supposed to be given out in public. So that is number 6. My dear people, we're gonna be doing Celtic Cross in regards to Archie. What is Archie doing? What was before happening? What is now? And what is to expect? And how he is doing? So we're gonna be looking with Celtic Cross. So this is reading for Archie, son of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Your angel spirit guides. Okay, so this is the first card is King of Pentacles reversed. And the second card is that card. And we have, what is it? The Empress. Oh. The card 4 of Pentacles. The crown is 10 of Pentacles. And what is the next card? What is coming? In regards to Archie and their family, Queen of Cups. The Sun card is energy of Archie. Around Archie there is 4 of Wands. And 8 of Wands is the card hopes and fears. And there is outcome is celebration. So those are cards for Archie. My dear, we have all cards on the table. Now we can start reading. So what is going with current situation with Archie and father and mother and the family, what is everything all around, is King of Pentacles reversed. So there is King of Pentacles reversed is some situation that is not easy to work with. There is some when is King of Pentacles upright, like regular things, things are like great. everything is solved out, everything is worked the best way. But when it's reversed, there may be some problems and things cannot be accomplished, the job cannot be done, there is anger and resentment, and there is King of Pentacles can be very angry and when he cannot do what he wants to do. So this is reversed. It looks like maybe there is something with his father, Harry, because he cannot do what he wants to do. So there is some rules that royal family is setting up. So he cannot. There is some boundaries and some things what in society and in royal family and monarchy that he should obey, and Meghan, but they don't do that. So there is a reverse King of Pentacles. This is maybe his father angry, and there is situation with child as well. There is some influencing this card, King of Pentacles. So there is something that cannot be easy handled. There is that card. That card is influencing situation with Archie. What is that card number 13? Something is ending in regard to Archie. Something is ending. Something new is coming. This is not possibly death or something. This is that card, but I don't know. Is it to do with some actual death or something? That is influencing. Somebody's death is influencing this situation that is right now happening. So that is that card. Somebody's death, or something is ending. Some ending. It looks like somebody's death is influencing situation with Archie and Harry and things like that. So what is underlying energy? Underlying energy is Empress card. Somebody was working on, this is underlying energy, this is foundation. Somebody was working all the time, sowing the seed, planting the flowers, the trees, working. Somebody was really using all seeds and was planting anything, whatever they get hands to. So there is working. There was lots of action, lots of work, lots of taking things care. It looks like Meghan and Archie were doing things, really. They was like doing stuff and things and going to Africa and enjoying life, and with Archie, bringing him everywhere and showing up. That is like Empress card. They was active. They was planting the seeds. That was that. Seeds, flower seeds that was planting. So what is going out? What is fading? There was some something to do with security. It looks like Archie. Nobody see Archie because of security reason. There is some blockage. There is something to do with Archie that reason of security. There is some security is in question. Where is Archie? What is going with Archie? There is security is in question. This is fading out. This was card that is was there, and what is coming is coming Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is Diana is coming. Diana is Lady D is Cancer. She's coming, and this is security reason. Is like this was something what he was blockage, security reason. Nobody sees Archie because of security. Something is like that. I don't know what something. Somebody has to block themselves. Somebody has to protect themselves. So because of somebody's protection, there is something to do with Archie. What is the crown? The crown is for this situation is family in roots and inheritance. So the crown, somebody's crown. Is it Archie's crown? I don't think so. I think that is crown of parents of Archie, the crown, and all family crown. There is something to do with family. They have to work out things with Archie. The crown is 10 of Pentacles. So the crown is the top, right? The top is ordering what is going to be done and what is not going to be done, and what is, like it looks like a monarchy. The queen and Charles are telling the Harry what he can do, what he cannot do, and with child and without child. So they are ordering what is going to be given out because of security reason, and what is going to be, because there was some situation that was not working, something not managing properly. There is some death card because somebody is dead or something, or some ending. Something was wrong. Something was somebody started something. I don't know. That was something what was influencing family. That family is crown now, and it's top. It's top, and from the top down, they come the order, they come the rules, yeah, so they tell what to do. So that is the crown. The family, the monarchy tell what to do in regards to Archie, and well, this is gonna be security reason is like already worked out. Security reason is worked out. There is fading energy out, but there is coming Diana. Diana energy is coming into play. Diana energy is present. It's into play. And the Archie's card is Sun card. Happiness is happiness. Wherever Archie is, that is good for him. That he is there wherever he is. It looks like there is happiness. The Sun card, happiness, success. There is or maybe something is going to be revealed about that. Maybe it's what the small child can have success. There is no success for small children, right? But there is happiness. It looks like it, but when I say the Harry's son Archie in the video with mother, he doesn't look happy that much. So there is something, I don't know, like they are not having connection with mother. Like the Meghan has no that connection with son. That is kind of weird connection. There is no really mother-son connection there. Like she's not like she's taking stranger's child or something. Like I don't know. That is so there is no that connection, warm connection that you can see with mothers and children. So maybe that is something that is going to be sun. When sun comes out, something is going to be revealed. Maybe there is going to be now time. Maybe there is the now time that they tell us where is the Archie. So what is going with Archie? What is he doing? Show some picture for Archie. Not just Lady D is going to be. I'm sorry, not just Diana is going to be there. Lilibet. I don't think she's going to be Lilibet. I think she's just Diana. But things is like they're going to be something. Sun is coming out and we're going to be see where is Archie. It's going to be revealed where Archie is and what he is doing. Is he happy? He should be with his father and mother. I don't know who is, but it looks like her mother and father are not that connected with them, with him. So they are kind of cold or something. I don't know. So what is around? Around the Archie, around the people in that circle, there are some Four of Wands. Something is expanding. In regards to Archie, to his life situation, something is getting bigger. Something is expanding. There are some more things that are going on. So there is time of, somebody is working on something. It's connected with Archie. What is hopes and fears in regards to that? In regards to Archie and the family, is 8 of fears and hopes are 8 of Wands. So that is a possibility of some news, some fast news coming, something information. Maybe somebody wants to know how is Archie, where is Archie. There is happiness, or maybe somebody is scared to find out where is Archie and what is going with him. So this is card that is the people that there is to think about. Where is Archie? So there is some information that is supposed to be the out, and there is maybe hope or fear, whatever is that. But at the end there is success. There is success. There is some in regards to Archie situation. There's gonna be but probably soon it's gonna be coming out something. What is gonna be with Archie? What is there with Archie? How he feels and things like that. Because there is great card at the end, but I see some sadness behind the scene. Behind the scene and the psychic, I see some sadness. Something is sad. There is something true, something coming out, something is kind of resolved and solved, but there is some sadness behind that. What is that? I as psychic, I see that. So things are, it looks like there is going to be some news about Archie. They doesn't say that Archie is good or bad, or child is not good or bad, but in good situation or bad situation. So, but they say is he healthy or good, healthy or what is going with him. But they say this is gonna be some things in It's going to be some news, some information going to be given out about Archie. And I can see two groups of people are together in regards to that information, and one group of people are kind of on the side. They are not agreeing with those things, something like that. But there is sadness behind that. Sadness, some kind of sadness. We don't know what is that. We're going to find out probably later on. Thank you for watching. This was reading Archie by my INCA Oracle. My name is Zeljka. I'm Croatian psychic and tarot card reader in Vancouver, BC. I would like to thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and if you didn't do that yet, please do it now. Subscribe, like, share. I wish you all the best. See you next time. Bye.